The new topic is the feedback amplifier. We have already seen the different types of amplifiers such as your voltage amplifier and power amplifier. Next, to move your feedback amplifier. We have already seen the amplifier is the to increase the input power signal level, that is output power must be greater than your input power, means amplified output come across the output side when you use a amplifier. Now we have seen here the word use a feedback, means this is the feedback, means suppose there is a amplifier, suppose this one is the amplifier blocks, this is your amplifier and input is given to this one, this is your input side, this one is your output side. Now some portion whatever is amplified come across the output side, this is your output side. Now some portion of your output signal is return back to input side, means some action of your output is come to input side. This input side may be added to the your input signal or subtracted to your input signal, means this connection is formed as a feedback. This connection is form a feedback or a closed form. This is a closed form. Suppose there is no any feedback, means suppose this is removed here, there is a open loop form. Means there is no any connection to output side to input side. This is also called as a open loop gain. Open loop gain. If there is connection, means output side is feedback to input side, means some portion of input side signal is used in a input side, means this signal, suppose this one input signal is come, this is your some fraction of output power is used here, this signal now both are added or subtracted. When this both signal, means this input signal and this your feedback signal is added, that is called positive feedback. If this input is subtracted, then it's called negative feedback. Means types of feedback is two types, one of the positive feedback, one of the negative feedback. We have seen the next pages. The positive feedback used as a oscillator designing, means when we study your oscillator, then we have seen there is a positive feedback user in a oscillator applications. Here you see negative feedback user as a amplifier purpose. You see here next pages, means overall what is the feedback you also known better using this direct block diagram. Now, what is the purpose of use of feedback amplifier? Now, what is the purpose? You see here, there is amplifier. Amplifier has the parameters such as your gain, input impedance, output impedance, and bandwidth. If you want to gain is increase or decrease, yeah, or input impedance are increase or decrease, yeah, output impedance are increase or decrease. Overall, means if these parameter you want to increase or decrease, then what you do, you use some external component such like your resistor and capacitor, such form is such like your connected in a parallel combination or as a divided network to increase or decrease of these parameter values. Now, if we use these passive components such as your resistors or divider networks, voltage divider network, these are the drawbacks is the losses the power. Means by using these components such as your passive component, these are the losses the output voltage or losses the power when amplifier use as a amplifier for particular signal. When we use a feedback circuit, means this one feedback circuit, when we use a feedback circuit instead of your passive component, means voltage divided network, when we use feedback circuit, what happen, means there is what you do using a passive component such like you increase or decrease your input impedance or bandwidth, then what happen, by using feedback the losses is reduces, means proper your parameter is without any losses is amplified in a proper way, means whatever you want by this parameter by using feedback there is negligible losses, means losses is minimum. that is written here in these pages. You see here, the amplifier is feedback employed are the known as feedback amplifier. The definition of feedback: the amplifier in which feedback is employed are known as feedback amplifier. There is two types of feedback. There is also written a definition: the process by which fraction of output energy of a device or a amplifier is injected back to input, known as feedback. There is a positive feedback. Here is the circuit diagram. You see here, there is a one of the amplifier. Now the closed path is used here. The connection is you see here. There is the input. Your input signal is this one, and output signal is come across this one. This is the load resistance. Now this output signal is fraction of input is injected back to input side. There is written as the process by which fraction of output energy, means a fraction of output energy of a device, yeah, or a amplifier is injected back to, means this is one injected back to its input side. This is your input side. This is as called a feedback. Now there is two types of feedback. There is a positive feedback and negative feedback. You see here, the source signal, means this is your source signal is coming inside. This is your feedback signal coming in this side. This is your summer means if added both signal, means positive is and this one and positive is and means this one is added. Now this added signal come across your amplifier as a input, means this is your positive feedback amplifier. You see here, the symbol used here, this is your feedback gain, this is your open loop gain, means this one your gain of A. This is the internal, other word used here, internal gain of amplifier. A symbol used here. Overall feedback gain is the use this form. This was one of the equation is derived in the next pages, is equal to A upon 1 minus beta A, means beta is the feedback factor. This one is the feedback network. This one section is your feedback network. That is one of the parameter defined here, the feedback factor. Means whatever you want to feedback this amount of use in this input side. The positive feedback, the advantage is the increase the gain of amplifier, and disadvantage is the when the gain of amplifier increases. We have already seen the gain bandwidth product is constant, means gain increases, what happen, decrease the bandwidth. This one is written here. Disadvantage is the decrease the bandwidth. Noise is increases when positive feedback uses, and also increase the distortion, and noise is also increases. Reduce the stability. Stability means whatever your key point, question point is, by using a positive feedback there is changes when we use positive feedback. The application is the positive feedback is the used as a oscillator circuit designer, means this one a positive feedback. We have already studied, not already, but in the coming your lecture on oscillator circuit we study. Then we have in the also use these explanation positive feedback in the oscillator sector. Okay, we move to your next negative feedback. This also you see here, this is your amplifier, this is your feedback network, means the output signal is feedback to input side, means whatever the output signal is, now fraction of this output signal is injected back to input side, means you see here the input signal is this one and this is your feedback signal. Now this one you see here, there is a positive, there is a negative, means input signal is subtracted to your feedback signal. Now this is subtracted signal come across your amplifier. Now this amplifier is amplified and output come across the load, means negative feedback there is a subtracted here, positive feedback is there is added here. This is the positive feedback, and the relation you use here, the derivation you see here, means AFB means आपका feedback gain of amplifier is equal to A upon 1 plus beta A. The difference you see here the equation, here come 1 minus beta A, here come 1 plus beta A. Now you see here the derivation of your this relation negative feedback. We consider here the some parameter, there is an amplifier and there is a feedback network. Now input signal is applied in this amplifier. The source signal, whatever you apply here, this is your source signal. Now this is the output signal across the output. This now feedback to input side, this come across this one. This is the parallel combination, means whatever the output is, now this appear in this across the feedback network across output. This is work as the input, this feedback network. Next output is come, beta multiply with this value. VV naught is the output of feedback, means this VV naught is the here and this is your VS, means both signal is now subtracted, then your VI is come. Now see here, you will see here VI is equal to, you see here Vs minus Vb naught. You see here there is a positive, there is a, here is a signal is added, means positive, this one is a negative. That's why here use a negative sign, means Vs signal minus Vb naught is called Vi. Now open loop gain is dependent by output upon input. This one the open loop gain. This word is a feedback gain, means open loop gain means output upon input, means we put the Vi value, Vi's value is come this one, we put here. Now arrange this equation and in this form of V output is considered. You arrange next one we have seen here V output upon Vs, means output upon Vs term is the relate your feedback gain, means this one come your feedback gain, the final equation in this form. Here you see here the feedback gain less than your internal gain, other form is what is a open loop gain, means open loop gain much greater than your feedback gain. This is a simple derivation of negative feedback. Now we move to your different types of also feedback amplifier is present. You see here there is a different type that such as your series shunt and shunt series and shunt. These are the not your syllabus part, but you just overview of this, what it means by this. You see here the source signal is applied, there is a mixer means whatever you added or subtracted, whatever signal is this one and what is the feedback signal, there is a mixer use, means added or subtracted, mixer work is here. This is your amplifier, this is your feedback network, this is your load. Now we have already seen the diagram, there is a something subtractor, there is something feedback to your input side. That's why here use a one of the mixer is the, and next one is the sampler, means mixer is the mixing of your voltage or current form, means mixer is two types, means series form or shunt form, and sampler is the output is sample, means in the form of voltage or current. That's what is your voltage sampler or current sampler. On the basis of these four category, which is a mixer or sampler, we divide in this form four types. We see in the next lecture of this what is series shunt or shunt series. Okay, we move to your next advantage of negative feedback amplifier. The advantage of negative feedback, one of the advantage is the stability increases when negative feedback uses, and next one is the reduces your distortion and noise, means right when negative feedback uses, the distortion and noise also reduces. And next we see here when the gain is decreases, the increase your bandwidth is also increases, negative feedback use. Also input impedance increases in the some circuit we have seen, means overall conclusion of the your feedback amplifier. What is the feedback amplifier and types of feedback, positive, what is the positive and negative feedback, and the simple derivation of negative feedback, this one is the important, and advantage of negative feedback.